How healthy are college students? It's an open question.
You know, there's a lot we don't really understand in terms of how much physical activity is happening, how much is there enough sleep going on. There's also a lot of mental health and emotional health and well-being questions that we're hoping to be able to study.
El Haddad thought of designing an app herself that would track student health. But then, she and her colleagues had a better idea.
Crowdsourcing and seeing what the students in the Columbia community have to provide for us.
Through the Data Science Institute, El Haddad offered $2,000 to the team that could come up with the best app. 5 teams demoed their work last spring, and a pair of freshman computer science majors ended up winning the prize.
First place for the Lions Tracks Challenge goes to Shiv and Joshua.
The design at the end was really sleek and enjoyable.
This app is going to pull in data from a lot of people that otherwise wouldn't have, let's say, filled out surveys or done these other mediums, and we're just automatically going to send the data into this database and hopefully just blow up the amount of data that researchers will have to use.
The app had to be fun and easy to use.
It's understood by now that you can't just ask people to give you data, you need to feed back something to them.
One thing we did is incorporate like an average feature where you could see how you're doing in, let's say, how many steps you're taking or how many miles you walked today, compared to the rest of the Columbia community.
Josh's partner Shiv put it this way during the demo.
If someone told me that I've burned 420 active calories today, I just don't know what that means. When you put that into perspective of how everyone else around me is doing, I think that gives me some idea.
We also have like this newsfeed feature where you can see different types of research that are going on in like the health and data sciences field. So you can kind of see the impact that the data like yours is having in the real world.
I don't know that it's like the most winning way to engage people, but I like it a lot.
We're going to keep getting user feedback on the client-facing side of our app and keep iterating through that.
Same time next year we'll have a running experiment.